हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। वेलकम टू अनदर ब्लॉग। आईआईटी में बहुत अच्छा माहौल हुआ करता था, बट लॉकडाउन की वजह से, कोविड के वजह से सब कुछ बंद हो गया। तो अभी सिचुएशन थोड़ा ठीक हुआ है, इसलिए आफ्टर लॉन्ग टाइम आईआईटी में फिर से डे ऑफ सेलिब्रेशन शुरू हुआ है। तो आज का जो कन्वोकेशन है 52nd कन्वोकेशन, उसके लिए लास्ट 1 वीक से ही आईआईटी में बहुत अच्छी तरह से सजाया गया है। I'll show you our day of celebration. I congratulate all the people who will be graduating and will get their degree in this convocation. So be part of my video and enjoy. मैं अभी लैब से निकली हूँ आप लोग को दिखाने के लिए। ये देखिए नया क्या बना दिया यहाँ में बैठने के लिए, ताकि बारिश में भी लोग आके बैठ सके। See, देखिए ये आईआईटी का फ्लैग है, इंस्टीट्यूट फ्लैग। बहुत लोग आएंगे, होप तो मेरा भी कोई दोस्त लोग आएंगे यहाँ में। ये गेट कॉन्सिडर, ये है मिस Padmasri Warrior. She is the distinguished alumna of IIT Delhi, chief guest. तो देखते हैं अंदर में क्या क्या है। ये फ्लावर का रंगोली बनाया गया है। ये हम लोग का कॉलेज का है इंस्टीट्यूट लोगो।
To name a few, Professor G.K. Panigrahi, Department of Electrical Engineering and Bharati School, has been elected as a Fellow of the National Academy of Sciences, and he has also received the IIT Bimla Bose Award. Professor Swadesh Dey, Department of Electrical Engineering and Bharati School, has received the Abdul Kalam Technology Innovation National Fellowship. Professor Smriti Ranjan Panda, Computer Science and Engineering, received the Qualcomm Faculty Award. Professor J. Deva and Professor Iyengar, Electrical Engineering, have been elected as Fellows of the Indian National Academy of Engineering. Professor J. Deva also received the IIT Ramlal Wadhwa Award. Professor Beam Singh, Electrical Engineering, received the International Solar Alliance Kalpana Chawla Award, also an Eminent Engineer Award for the year 2020. He has also received the INEAE Outstanding Teacher Award and also the 2020 IEEE IAS Outstanding Educator Mentor Award. Professor N.K. Gupta, Department of Applied Mechanics, has been awarded the prestigious DRDO Academic Excellence Award. Professor K. Srinath, Department of Mathematics, has been elected as a Fellow of the National Academy of Sciences. Professor K.K. Pant has been elected as a Fellow of INEAE, NASI and Indian Desalination Association. Professor Ritika Kera, Department of Humanities and Social Sciences, has been selected for the Malcolm Adiseshriya Award 2021. Finally, I conclude by conveying my heartiest congratulations and best wishes to each one of the 2,117 graduates receiving their degrees and diplomas, and the 103 graduates receiving the awards, medals, cash prizes for their special achievements at the 52nd convocation of the Institute. I once again thank our chief guest, Mr. Padmasri Warrior, Chairperson, Board of Governors, Dr. R. Chidambaram, and all the distinguished guests for being with us on this solemn occasion. Thank you and Jai Hind.
ये है गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट, प्रेसिडेंट्स गोल्ड मेडल मिला है, डायरेक्टर्स गोल्ड मेडल, परफेक्ट 10 गोल्ड मेडल इन MSR, एंड ये है परफेक्ट 10 गोल्ड मेडल इन डुअल डिग्री MTech एंड BTech। मैं दाबरा हॉल जाके वहाँ मैं थोड़ा प्रोग्राम देख के लाइब्रेरी वाली साइड से वापस आ गई हूँ। तो मैं अभी वापस अपनी लैब आ रही हूँ। बाय बाय। एम्बुलेंस भी रखा है पता है पीछे।
Like what are you doing? So I'm working.
So always अच्छा ready।
लंच के लिए हॉकी ग्राउंड में पहुंचे।
Hi,
और
Yogi।
कैसा लग रहा है?
Feeling very well.
Many congratulations।
And he is Jay Prakash. We call him JP.
Both are getting MTech degree। It is a matter of proud and joy।
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, बहुत ही रो के डिग्री पास करी है हमने।
हाँ IIT में डिग्री मिलना इतना आसान है क्या? कितना डिफिकल्ट है?
Yeah, it is very difficult.
आना तो डिफिकल्ट है ही, मेंटेन करना भी डिफिकल्ट है, पास होना भी बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है।
हाँ मेंटेन तो कर ली बस।
Congratulations all of you।
Thank you so much.
बहुत ही हार्ड वर्क करा हम बहुत हार्ड वर्क करा है हमने।
वो help करेगी ना।
Thanks to my parents. हाँ, thanks to my parents, my friends, all of my friends.
How it
Always
is like
support me.
being now alumni of IIT Delhi।
It is very proudful moment for us.
Wow।
That is really
Okay।
because surviving an IIT. First of all,
IIT
getting admission in
IIT is great
too
because
hard. Everyone knows
yeah,
about it, but no one knows that surviving in IIT is even more harder than getting admission.
Even you
And
know,
we finally did that. Woo!
wow, that is a very great. Even you know, many students get admission into BTech, but they cannot survive. They end up there taking their own life. So
We have
what
lot of
message
things to
you
tell,
will
but-
tell to them?
Huh?
For those who are frustrated, depressed, what message you will tell?
Simple. If you want this day, like it is kind of best day of my life, best or most beautiful day of my life.
Yeah.
अगर ये जिंदगी
The great
चाहिए,
moment.
तो you have to do hard work like even before and even after, because maintaining this is
Yeah.
even harder than
This
getting
certificate
admission.
will give you a lot in the life.
And ऐसा भी नहीं है कि तुम्हें यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक ही टाइप की लाइफ मिलेगी। यहाँ पे you will meet with lot of brilliant people like him. He just got an award. What kind of award you did? R.K. Mittal Award. R.K. Mittal Award.
Wow.
25,000 prize money from the dean. And
Wow, many congratulations. That's great.
the front one is Pradeep. He got at 36 lakh package.
Wow.
And Yogi's Halliburton 12 lakh. And
All
the-
are getting good place, na?
सबसे आगे वाला.
हाँ.
He has his own startup.
Wow.
Of recycling the plastics. This guy, Vikas Kumar, he has his own startup.
Let's ask something. Many congratulations to you.
What?
Many congratulations for your achievement.
Thank you.
So I heard that you have some startup.
ग्राउंड में पहुंचे।
You have started some
रोड
startup.
पर कोई भी खड़े नहीं होगा, रोड को खाली रखे, पार्क में खड़े हो।
Plastic?
Waste
खाली
management.
रखे और लंच के लिए हॉकी
I
ग्राउंड में
started
पहुंचे।
it because we all see that
रोड को खाली
plastic
रखे,
is a
लंच के लिए
very
हॉकी
much
ग्राउंड में पहुंचे।
problematic thing. Though it's a very important material and it has helped us in many fields.
Yeah.
Even it's as simple as like spoon and something, and it's as complex as surgery equipments and even heart. Some materials made of that. But before the COVID also, because of our carelessness,
Yeah.
this has become a material problem. And after the COVID, we all know our carelessness in handling mask and PPE
Yeah.
and other things have made it a material of most concern. So I have started this because it, instead of just throwing it, it
Yeah.
has value. If it is
So-
properly channelized, it can be made into a
Sir,
good
so
use.
your startup will reuse the used material
Yeah.
in some good way, so it will
Yes,
reduce the
make it brief.
pollution effect. Look, you'll clean the art, na, by reusing the plastic.
Yes.
That's great.
He is the entrepreneur of our class.
Oh, all the best. Best
Thank you.
wishes.
Thank you so much. Rolling.
कैमरा एक्शन मेट आर का ज्योति डेसर
डिग्री डन फाइनली।
सर कैसा लग रहा है डिग्री लेके? सर डीआरडीओ में सिलेक्शन में ज्यादा खुशी थी या फिर आज आईआईटी के डिग्री लेने में? आईआईटी
डिग्री इज मच मोर इम्पोर्टेंट।
मोर ग्रेटर देन दिस सर्वाइवड यूनुस पटेल। आपका यूनुस पटेल के अंदर था डिजाइन। अच्छा डिजाइन वो तो सबने सर्वाइव किया है यार, मेरे को कैसे तू हटा सकता है?
हाँ, yes.
मैं भी वही था। कैसा एक्सपीरियंस है यूनुस पटेल का तुम लोग का? नो कमेंट। कुछ सर कुछ दो अच्छी लाइनें।
दो अच्छी लाइनें। खुश रहो,
Hi.
हंसते रहो,
आने वाले
जियो, क्या
बच्चों
पता
के लिए।
कल होना हो।
इसका भी ले, इसका भी। हाँ
क्या
भाई
भाई
अभिषेक कुमार, हम इंजीनियर अभिषेक कुमार ईडन में जाएगा, अच्छा लग रहा है फिर आज।
More than that,
आने वाले बच्चों के लिए कुछ अच्छी अच्छी
more than that, he impressed Veeravali sir. That is his greatest achievement.
इंटरेस्ट है क्या? अरे यार दैट वो बिकम अचीवमेंट है। हाँ आने वाले बच्चों के लिए कोई 2 लाइनें, कोई अच्छी अच्छी बातें, मोटिवेशन।
मस्त रहो,
Research कैसे करना है?
मस्त रहेंगे तो आईटी में कैसे आएंगे अकेले?
बुलाएंगे भाई, पढ़ाई करो,
ये एडिट
मस्त
कर देना।
रहो। अबे हटा।
हो गया अब टॉपी भी छाना यार एक बार।
टोपी दिए।
ओके ऑन तक मेरी टोपी था। ओके
हाँ ये सही है।
लास्ट था ना हमने कहा।
हाँ और हमारा वीडियो बना लो।
फाइन लग जाएगी भाई।
हाँ इधर से फ्रेंड होना चाहिए ना।
3 काउंट करना और
नहीं यार इधर से फ्रेंड करना कुछ भी नहीं दिखेगा।
नहीं लाइट से ऐसे ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है, कोई भी नहीं, ठीक है, पीछे बिल्डिंग भी ठीक है।
1, 2,
3
3 Bye. Bye bye. Many many congratulations for your achievement.
Thank you.
How is your feeling?
I'm feeling very happy.
Okay.
5 साल की मेहनत रंग लाई है।
Okay, finally PhD degree. Yeah.
ये देखो।
Wow. Dr. Sumedha Sharma. यहाँ तो लिखा नहीं है, but it is a PhD degree. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
What is your next plan now?
I am trying for postdoc, so most probably I'll go for postdoc.
Okay. So how was your experience in PhD IIT?
It was tough,
Tough, no? Very
but
tough.
it was very happy. It was very tough, but very happy.
So you have learned a lot, I think.
yes, definitely.
So it's worth it to come here and put the hard work. Okay. All the best.
Thank you so much.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, ये है हम लोग का सीनियर्स मैम डॉक्टर विभूति नोगेन मैम. सो मैम वेलकम टू माय ब्लॉग.
Thank you.
Many many congratulations for your degree. So ma'am, tell me something about yourself.
So my name is Vibhuti Nogai, and I can proudly say that now I am Dr. Vibhuti Nogai, which feels very amazing and
Yeah.
surreal. Because when I started this journey, I did not anticipate that it will be this easy. But thanks to my colleagues, my friends, who used to sit in labs and used to discuss a lot of things with me, that the journey was worth taking. And I completed it, I think in 4 years. I thought that it might take a bit longer,
Yeah.
but I could complete it
You
in
have
time.
given synopsis within 3 years, right? Around
Right.
3
I gave
point-
synopsis within 3 years,
Yeah.
and then I waited for for other opportunities to be explored, and now I'm getting the degree, which is great.
That is great. So ma'am, you have also completed your master's degree from this institute.
That's true.
So after MTech, people generally goes for job. So why you have decided to continue PhD?
This is a very good question, and there's this mentor of mine
Okay.
who is an assistant professor in IIT Palakkad.
Okay.
He is Dr. Manas Kumar Jena,
Okay.
and he was the one who motivated me to take up research
Okay.
and to do it even after masters. And while pursuing my masters, I realized that I'm good at it.
Okay.
And I have that aptitude of finding the problem statement and working on them. So I took it up, and that was a good decision, I can say, because that helped me to understand things and to wrap up things in time. Like I said, that synopsis was submitted
Within 3
3 years.
Yeah, that's great. Actually.
Because I could also understand things starting from my master's days.
Okay.
That
So,
helped.
yeah. So what was your expectation in PhD? Is now all this fulfilled or?
My expectations initially were to complete the PhD, because it was initially I thought it would be a daunting task and I could not do it alone,
Okay.
because Manas sir was here, but then he left. He completed his program, and I was all on my own.
Okay.
So my expectations were to not run away from problems, even if the problem is simple. I wanted to find authentic solutions.
Okay.
So my expectations were just to be true and to not to be ethical with my work, and that's what I pursued.
Okay, that's great. So my next question is, what will be your advice to PhD aspirant who is looking for PhD opportunities now? Should they directly try for IITs or should also think about abroad, doing it from
First, it's very personal. Like they can take up whatever they find interest in.
Okay.
I took research because I realized that I'm good at it and I can explore it more. Also, there was this family support and financial support because especially in India, we are actually underpaid, as researchers.
Yeah.
So that is one point. If that is taken care by your family or by your support system, then you can dive in the research thing. And my advice, I'm like too small to give any piece of advice, but what is from my experience, if I can share one thing which can help them, is to have conviction of your own, because everybody will question your work and you. And if you're not putting in a confident front, then you will also start doubting yourself or your work, which might sometimes be a little, you might get lost in the process. And it can break your confidence, doesn't matter how good a student you are. So my only piece of advice which I can share from my own experience is to be confident about your work and do it with utmost sincerity. Like by that I mean by all ethical means, and trying to even if it's a small contribution, it should be of your own. That's what I strongly believe in.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. So your work actually first matter than the institute. After your work, then institute's grade or its tag will matter. Or
sorry, I didn't get the question.
First, our work should be first priority. Then whether degrees from IIT or from abroad, good university.
Oh, see, we are not living in a very ideal situations. Okay, if you find a better opportunity, we can pursue it. I mean, if I get a better opportunity, I will first think about. So there is no charity work going on. I will go for better opportunities, obviously. If it's in IIT or NITs, or I will compare my options, what is in front of me.
Okay.
So, and it's very personal. Like my family is in Delhi, like my husband is in Delhi. So I continued my research journey in IIT Delhi.
Okay.
So that was my reason. The other person can have their own reasons, and they are as good as anybody else's.
So what are you now doing? So
right now I'm working with this German organization, which is GIZ, and we work for the Ministry of Environment, which is a German ministry, and we are based in India, so we work with Indian partners, Ministry of Power, Central Electricity Authority, and I work in energy sector. So most of my work includes quality checking of the projects which we deliver to our Indian partners, and I'm a junior technical expert there, so I supervise the results which we get from our German experts and try to implement those solutions provided from our German experts in Indian distribution sector. So that is my job right now.
So do you have any plan of doing postdoc or coming back to academic field?
No, I'm like quite happy with
right now
with the kind of work I'm doing, because it includes a lot of thinking and it's not just the technical part of it. There are other dimensions of anything which needs to be implemented on ground.
Okay.
Can involve not just the technical part of it, but other aspects as well. For example, financial things or political dynamics going on. So just because I wanted to understand the entire spectrum of different constraints which can help us to implement any solution on ground. So I like that part of the job, and the nature of work, I'm enjoying it thoroughly. So there are no plans of postdoc.
Okay, ma'am. Congratulations and
Thank
all the
you.
best, ma'am. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. This was great fun. Bye bye. Like, subscribe, and share.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Bye.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, होप यू हैव एंजॉयड द वीडियो. आज के लिए इतना ही. फिर मिलेंगे कभी इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो. इफ़ यू हैव लाइक्ड एंड एंजॉयड द वीडियो, देन प्लीज लाइक द वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल फॉर मोर सच काइंड ऑफ वीडियो. आई विल सी यू इन माय नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग. बाय बाय.